My name is Michael Mastro, and I'm with Vastu Creations. Many of you have had the experience of walking into an office or a home and you felt uneasy. Vastu is the science that explains why we feel uneasy in certain environments. Vastu solves ways to reduce environmental stress so people feel more productive. It is the father of feng shui, and it is said to be 10,000 years old. Feng Shui is about 2,000 years old, and having practiced both, in my opinion, Vastu gives quicker, more lasting results. In Vastu, we align our physical body and our environment with two forces of nature to improve our well being and productivity. I designed the first Microsoft building using the principles of Vastu and have worked with Oracle, Amazon, Microsoft, Intel to help people be more productive and creative. I've been involved in many double blind studies where we take 100 students with similar IQ and have them study the same materials and take the same test. All of them are hooked up to EEG machines to measure their brain waves. We divided them into four groups of 25 each. 25 face south, 25 face west, 25 face north, and 25 face east while they were studying and taking the test. And what we found is that, in very interesting, the students that faced north or east did about, on average, about 20% better than the students that faced south or west. They had better focus and more stamina than the kids that faced, or the students that faced south or west. They were producing an alpha rhythm, which is a harmonic brainwave, and the kids that faced south and west were producing a beta or a chaotic brainwave. And I'll just give you one of the many tips that has really worked for many of the employees that I've worked with. So another part of the test showed that the students that faced east had better creativity, and the students that faced north had better analytical abilities. So if you can, this is just one of many ways that we help people be more productive. So I encourage you to give it a try and see if it will help you. If you would like to learn more about Vastu and how it can improve your business, whether it's home based or not, or improve the well being of your family and your business, contact me at vastucreations.com. Thank you for listening.